So in Ayurveda, the science of life, the body is made up of 5 elements: fire, air, space, earth and water. And these 5 elements are categorized into 3 body types: vata, which is composed of air and space; pitta, which is composed of fire and water; kapha, which is composed of earth and water. So either you can be vata-pitta, pitta-vata, vata-kapha, vata-pitta-kapha. So if you know your body type and you act accordingly, you eat accordingly, and you have lifestyle accordingly, you can really help yourself. So what I mean by that, if you are vata body type, you can eat things which are more sweet, sour and salty, because vata body type people have low blood pressure and they cannot do fasting. If you are pitta, you must avoid spicy food, sour, salty and pungent. You must eat more sweet like papaya, apple, strawberries, astringent like pomegranate and bitter foods. So if you're kapha, you should avoid things which are heavy. You should go for light, and you should avoid things which are sweet, sour and salty.
Actually, dosha are three functional energies, and these energies throughout the life flowing in our body. When these energies are disturbed, this is the imbalance in the body. It can be physical, it can be mental, it can be emotional also. So first energy is called vata. This is the energy of movement, all kind of movements in our body, it is due to vata. Second energy called pitta. This reels the metabolism of our life. And third energy, it lubricates the body and it gives us physical stability. So these energy, when they are flowing properly in our life, the life will be healthy and balanced, and when they are going up and down, then we can have problems. And whole life we are balancing these three energies.
According to your body type, you can really help yourself. So if your vata and your blood pressure is low and you are not having salty things and you are not eating warm food, so it's not good. So if you eat according to your body type, if you are pitta and you are eating too much spicy food and sour and salty food, it's gonna harm you. So you must, if you are kapha and your kapha is very high, you are overweight, and then still you are eating heavy foods and you are eating late night, so definitely it is gonna harm you. What is before sunrise, if you are waking up, you are going to the toilet and have the elimination of the urine and the stool, it's good. But if you sleep till late, you are reabsorbing that fecal matter. So what I'm trying to say is, basic reason of 60% cause of back pain is late night food, because the muscles which are here can go out, but the muscles which are there in the back cannot. So if you wake up early in the morning, you release the waste. Plus, if you are not eating late, if you are eating early, 6-7 o'clock dinner, it is good to, so you can have a good metabolic rate. So you must have a good physical activity in the form of asana or pranayama, and yoga and Ayurveda together can do magic in your life. Yoga and Ayurveda can do magic. So